may 3 pieces. It become of myself.
Yes!
Myself first. I just would like to thank you. Nakaka-touch, pero siyempre. Ayaw ko gano'n.
Birthday niyo ba?
Yung tinunta ko ng birthday sa akin, birthday niyo ba? Talaga? Oo, birthday niyo talaga. Oo nga. Dito mating ako for ME1. Sinabi ko na they greeted niya ang birthday. Sabi na, oh, sugawa ang birthday niya. So yun, so... Ilang taon na 22? 22. Speech! First, so ganun sinabi ko sa 2010, they also gave me a cake, and of course, nag-sorry sila for what they did, or may natutulog kasi habang nag-discuss. So sabi ko wala na yun. So my birthday wish is not only for myself, but also for my class, especially sa inyo, that were supported me. For I will blow na handles. I would just like let you know that my wish is for all of you, my students, to attain your goals, aspirations in life. So, ano man ang gusto nyo, ano man ang gusto nyo maging, sana na-achieve na siya. So, sa for me naman, of course, also for me, I would like to wish for good health, siyempre, kasi hirap mag-law school, siyempre, and then of course, at the same time, magtuturo, I wish na I also achieve, I will achieve someday my goal of becoming a CPA lawyer. Sana dyan din. So, thank you na lang dito. Thank you for the young guys. Dahil talaga. Thank you. Thank you, Ate, for the yan for the kids.
Kainin na natin.
Kainin na natin. Okay na. So, wala tayong gagawin yun. 12.